You shook it. That's good, that's good, that's good. Leave it on that. See, it won't zoom in very far. The Raven Copeland. I can't even. I took their glasses off. Look at all their clothes off. They got all their shirts off now. I don't think you can see on the camera, but it's okay. They're gonna do something else. I just keep turning the lights off to do something different. Uh-oh. I don't know what we're gonna see here.